wind is a coming. Been slowly working on these leaves. And the wind's just blowing them back around. Hopefully everything in my compost bin back there stays back there. It's probably the strongest winds we've had. We've lived out here for about 7 years now. And you got Tornado Toby. Tornado Toby. Toby, Toby, Toby. Toby, Toby, Toby. Toblerone. Toby. Go on, Toby. Go get the stick. Go get the stick. Where's it at? Go get it. Go get it. Where is it? What is that? Get the stick, Toby. Go on, go get it. Toblerone. All right, let's get back in the house, Toby. Come on. Go on.